To transfer money on Remitly, start by downloading and installing the Remitly app from the Google Store or App Store. Once installed, log in using your account credentials, which include your account number and password. After logging in, click the Get Started button and select a delivery method from the drop-down menu, which can be a bank account, cash pickup, mobile money, or home delivery. Next, enter the recipient's details, including their full name and phone number, as well as the amount you wish to transfer. Remitly will then display the equivalent amount in the recipient's local currency. Choose your preferred transfer method, which can be through a bank account, credit card, or debit card. You will also need to provide your ID, address, and phone number. Review your transfer summary carefully, and if needed, make any changes by clicking the Edit button next to the relevant information. Once everything is in order, confirm the details and click the Send Money button. A transaction message will appear on the next screen, indicating that the process is
easy to understand. Tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro Dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.